The Coachman Catalina model 211 Summit 8 Series has power jacks on it. It has front storage that goes all the way across. There is solar that can be added. It's solar prep. The trailer actually weighs 4590. The GVWR is 7544. It has ladder prep on the back. It's got a 6-gallon gas electric water heater. It also has camera prep. This is storage up underneath the bed, bunk bed in the back. Has outside speakers, power awning. It's got a front queen bed with curtain. Also has a heat pump air conditioner. All power, bunk beds in the back, and a bathroom.